Before we met, I was always thinking I needed to move. I was always looking to find my place, was lost and always searching for where I belonged. I realize now it was my soul searching for you. From the moment our paths crossed, you've captivated me, challenged me, frustrated me, and improved me. I promise to look after you and cherish you forever. My love, life, my happiness, today and always.
When you walked into my life, I knew within 10 seconds you were the one for me. It was a magical moment that I will treasure forever with you. All I have in the world I give to you. I promise to hold and keep you, comfort you, protect you and shelter you for the rest of my life. In your eyes I have found my home. In your heart I have found my love. In your soul I have found my mate. And you are my everything. I love you.
Dominique,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my commitment and love to you.
to give you my commitment
As a symbol
and a symbol
of my commitment
of my commitment
and love to you.
and love to you.
Anthony,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my commitment
of my commitment
and love to you.
and love to you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now seal your love.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You